an activity based on tangent to a circle. The aim of the activity is to verify that the length of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal by paper folding method. So let's see what this activity is. If you are given a circle and there is a point P which lies outside the circle, and if I draw tangents to the circle, we all know that from an external point we can draw two tangents to a circle. So if I draw a tangent PA and a tangent PB to a circle, then the length of these two tangents are equal. So we are going to verify this by paper folding method. PA is equal to PB. Now let's see what is the material required. Fevistick, geometry paper, scissor, colored paper. After this we are going to see the various steps by which we are going to perform the activity. So here we have the procedure. Step 1. We are going to draw a circle of any radius. It should be an appropriate radius on a colored paper. I am going to cut it. After that we are going to paste the circle on a rectangular sheet of paper and mark the center as the point O. So here we are cutting the circle of appropriate radius and we are going to paste it on a rectangular sheet, mark that circle, that center. Here I have the center as point O. Next step is take any point P outside the circle. We are going to mark any point P outside the circle. After that, we are going to fold the rectangular sheet in such a way that the tangent PA is obtained at the point of contact A on the circle. See, we are going to fold the rectangular sheet in such a way that PA is a tangent to the circle. Here you have a tangent to the circle PA. In a similar way, obtain a tangent PB at any point B on the circle. So here I have the two tangents PA and PB. Here I have the point B. So I have PA and PB, the two tangents to a circle with center O. In the next step, now I have to verify that these two are equal. So I will take a piece of thread and paste it at the point P. And I will cut the thread such that it is of length PA. You will cut the thread such that the length of the thread is equal to PA. Put the thread of length PA on PB. When we put the thread of length PA on PB, we will see that it exactly coincides with the length PB. So ultimately what result we get, that PA is equal to PB. And this verifies the result that the length of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So here we have pasted the circle. There is a piece of thread which has been pasted at the point P, such that we can measure the length of PA and PB and they both will come out to be equal. So finally the result is that PA is equal to PB. Observation: the length covering PA completely covers PB. PA and PB are the two tangents to a circle. So here we are going to write the length of PA and PB. And finally, we have verified that the length of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal by paper folding method. Hope you are able to understand this activity. In case if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Thank you everyone.